All right, everybody. So today we're going to go over several credit repair slash debt collection lies that y'all are falling for on TikTok and YouTube. And this first one got over 10 million views. Just check this out.
When you don't pay the debt collectors, which by the way, to the audience, you should never pay a debt collector because the debt doesn't belong to you. It belongs to the debt collector. Let me explain this to you. If I owe Amex $1,000 and I say I refuse to pay you, right? And they sell my debt to ABC Debt Collections Company, LLC. The debt doesn't belong to James Chang anymore. The debt belongs to ABC Debt Collectors. Why should I pay a debt that doesn't even belong to me anymore? Most people get scared because debt collectors, if you don't pay, we're going to garnish your way. They get scared. No, it's against the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act. You don't have to pay debt collectors.
Like I said on the text from the video off TikTok, this kind of content, these people that get famous, they're going to get you sued or get you in trouble. Pretty much everything he said in that video is a lie. But let's just go to the next lie.
If your credit score starts with a 3, 4, 5, or a 6, there is a new, more powerful AI credit repair software that was just released, and anyone can use it. This advanced AI technology analyzes your credit reports to find all the negative items that are hurting your credit. Collections, charge-offs, late payments, child support, student loan, and any personal information that's not accurate or complete.
Again, somebody else that's famous on YouTube and TikTok. So you think they're telling the truth, right? AI credit repair is not the answer to all your problems. In fact, it sucks because again, it uses Metro 2, which sucks for credit repair. Watch this next video.
Here's how and why you should freeze secondary credit bureaus. When you send a dispute to Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, these three credit agencies talk to secondary credit agencies to verify your information. So it would be most advantageous for you to lock or freeze these accounts so they can't communicate with each other, giving you control in the situation.
So the previous video will always be my favorite lie, that you need to freeze the secondary bureaus so Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian can't verify the items. If you send a dispute letter for Discover, they're gonna send it to Discover, not LexisNexis, Innovis, ARS, or SageStream. Stop listening to these people who are just regurgitating things that they see on the internet, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Let's go to the next lie.
Here's the biggest credit repair hack that I bet you don't know. Like, this is the secret way to actually get stuff deleted. When you send a letter to dispute something, they just scan it into this little system called eOscar. This system scans your little letter to see what it's talking about, then assigns codes to it. Then those codes get sent to the collection agency. They log in the same system, verify, and then you get a letter saying that it was verified. But there's a different type of challenge that you can do that changes everything. It's called a Metro 2 compliance challenge. Follow for more information on this.
So as you can see, everybody's screaming Metro 2, Metro 2, Metro 2 challenges. It is not the answer to credit repair. These credit repair companies are using it because it makes their job easier. They're not getting good results, but it saves them time because they're too lazy to do this the right way. One last video, check it out.
Delete it. However, what some of you may not know is that when Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion receive the dispute that you just sent, they turn around to the smaller companies like LexisNexis, Innovis, CoreLogic, and ARS, also known as secondary credit bureaus. When the big three reach out to the smaller four, they're trying to verify information that you recently disputed in order to keep it on your credit report. The problem is that 98% of the time, the information is going to match up, which is why when you disputed in the past, it comes back as verified.
So these are currently the biggest lies about credit repair and debt collectors. You can't believe everything you see on YouTube, on the internet, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and wherever else they're spreading these lies. But if y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope you have a great night.